Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw an astronaut, so let's get started. To draw this cute astronaut, let's first start by drawing the helmet. So I'm going to come right here and draw a straight line. So this is going to be the sides, and then I'm going to go up with a curve. And bring it around. We're just creating the opening of our helmet. Bring this big curve over and down. And then straight again, about right here, just like the other side. And then we're going to go ahead and draw the same thing on the bottom. And connect. There. So I just wanted to make it a little bit straighter on the sides and then round at the top. So I come back in here and fix all my mess. And this is just meant to inspire you. There's just so many ways you can draw the helmet and the shape, but hopefully I just wanted to make it a little bit easier. And then from there, let's go ahead and we're just going to follow exactly what you did inside to give this helmet a lining right here. So I'm just going to thicken this line up. Just following. And then straight about right here on the sides. Just very subtle, and then connect. There. Okay, something like that. And then let's see here, we need one more layer. So we're gonna come out just a little bit, say about right here. Same thing on both sides, so about right here. And then we're gonna do the same thing again. So one more layer. And go up. But this time we're gonna go up higher. So we're gonna go up, and so let's say my center is about right here. I'm just gonna give myself a point so I know where I'm going. And then I'm going to bring it all the way back down. All the way back down to about right here. And then straighten out again. And then same thing at the bottom, but the bottom is just going to be a lot thinner. So bottom just comes down. About right here. And then we're just going to start to curve in. Okay, finally, right? So hopefully I didn't mess it up too much and you understand what's going on. Then from there, let's come to this top and the sides right here. I'm just going to draw details so we know what's going on. We're going to center these two lines right here. And then on the sides here, the ear part. So let's say right here where it's straight, I'm going to come out and then straight and then bring it in. And then come in here with two curves, just like that. And so same thing on the other side. So hopefully it's starting to look like an astronaut helmet. All this mess. So once again, you're just going to straighten it out. And but right here, just start to curve it in. And then once again, the two curves. There. Okay, finally. Then if you like, you can put a big highlight right here on the side. Maybe a circle. I'll add a circle right here just to add more bling. And that is it for the helmet. That took forever, right? Okay, so now I promise that the rest will be a little bit easier. So let's come and draw the suit. So let's say about right here, nice and wide. So wearing a suit, right? So everything's nice and poofy. So about here and here, and I'm just going to bring this out with a curve. Then from there, we're going to come down and let's say about, I'll just say about right here, nice and thick. And here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a straight line down. So both sides, so we know what we're working with here. Then from there, let's go ahead and Keep bringing it down. So I'm just going to go straight. Don't really need much curves at all. And just take a look how long you want to make your astronaut. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a little tiny line right in the center. Then from there, that's where my legs are going to start. So I'm going to come out with 2 angles. And you can continue to bring this down. And then right here, we just go ahead and draw a slight little angle. Right there. And let's see here, let's bring this down more. So I'm going to work on this side. Everything's nice and thick all the way. So let's say about right here, I'm going to start to draw the foot. So let's come down and I'm just going to curve out just a slight and then straighten out. Come down and then we're just going to connect everything with a curve. There. And then for some details, so we're here where it's kind of straight, we're going to draw a curve right across for these very thick astronaut boots. I'll just come in here real quick and draw some detail on the sole. And right here where the angles, I'm going to curve all the way across, and then there's a strap. And say about right here, I'll just draw a curve. So that's the boot area there. And then let's do the same thing on the other side. So same thing here. So right about here, just going to curve out a tiny bit and then straighten out. And so this part's going to be a little bit straighter about right here, and then it's going to curve in. And then just go ahead and connect once again. So once again, right in this area, curve, some line detail, and then right about here, curve out, and then a strap, and about right here, we're going to cut it off. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and draw the arms. So let's come down here because it's nice and thick. We're going to come about right here. And let's just bring this to the side. So I'm just going to curve it. We want our hands to be about in this area. So let's say about right here. Let's bring this down, just thicken it up. Slightly thinner towards the bottom. And then right here, we're going to draw a thumb. So everything's going to be nice and thick, because we're in a glove. Then round it off and swirl back there. So same thing over here. So let's start over here and we're just going to curve to about right here, same area. Elbow area, and then bring it down. So right here, thumb once again, and the fingers, and connect. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw in a lot of detail, right? So let's say about right here, before I forget, I'm just going to draw this strap. Like I said, this is just meant to inspire you. There's just so many different kinds of astronaut uniforms, so I'm just trying to make it as generic as possible. So then let's come to the arms. Right here, we're going to cut it off. And then here, we're going to add a little strap. Maybe some padding on the elbow. And then another strap thing going on here. And same thing here. So about right here. So notice as I draw these curves, I'm kind of following the angle of our hand. So just make sure you're not too straight, just add a curve. And then once again, some elbow padding. And then in this area, in the center, I'm going to add this little rectangle, rounded off rectangle. So about right here. Just go straight across Bring it down. And let's see, round it off. And connect. And then we're going to add some straps to it to connect everything. Same thing here. And 2 more. So actually this could be even a diver, right? Just depends on the little details that you put in. And let's come right here, and I'm just going to draw in some of these lines. Right here, and then some strap lines. There. And let's see. Just make this part a little bit thicker. And then at the bottom you can add some circles for some indication of buttons. So right in the center, and then we're going to come right across and draw 2 more. There. So hopefully that I have everything correct. And then even on the waist area, add another band. Goes across. And put some lines in this one as well. And then in this area right here, oh, before I forget, let's work on a patch right here. So I think they usually have like a patch, right? So, oh, I don't know, what do we want to put? Some stripes and then a circle, just to make it simpler. And then in this area, you can put whatever you want, but I'm just gonna put a big heart to make it my Draw So Cute Astronaut. There. And maybe a star on the side. I don't know. And then I was thinking maybe we can put like a, let's see, would that make sense? Put a ring around the heart. There. Something like that. And then another star. Okay, that's it. I'm just going to leave it like that before I mess it up even more. But I really hope you love how this astronaut turned out, and I helped you draw him fun and easy today. And of course that I inspired you. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.